Why, when and how to prune Hebes for better growth. Do you want your Hebe to grow healthier, fuller and more vibrant? It all starts with the right pruning. A little attention now sets the stage for strong, beautiful growth all season long. Timing matters. Prune too late and you'll risk cutting off next year's blooms. Skip pruning altogether and dead leaves and debris can invite pests and disease. Removing this old material keeps your plant clean and thriving. Next, take out tired, woody branches. These older stems drain energy from the plant. By clearing them away, you're opening space and directing strength back into the younger, healthier shoots. And the reward is worth it. With just a few simple cuts, you can shape your Hebe beautifully and boost fresh, vibrant new growth that lasts all year. What you will learn today. 1. Why Hebe plants benefit from pruning. 2. When to prune for better results. 3. How to prune step by step. 4. Hard pruning techniques. 5. Post-pruning care. And 6. Final tips for long-term growth. Hebes are a favourite in UK gardens because they're evergreen, compact and reliably colourful. And while they don't need heavy maintenance, a little pruning keeps them healthy, tidy and flowering well. We prune Hebes for 4 main reasons. First, to remove dead, damaged or winter-burned growth. Clearing these parts prevents disease from spreading and encourages strong new shoots. Second, pruning helps maintain shape. Some Hebes can become straggly or open in the middle, so light trimming keeps the plant dense and well-rounded. Third, deadheading after flowering, usually in late summer, encourages a neater look and can even promote a second flush of blooms. And finally, pruning improves airflow through the plant, reducing problems like mildew and aphids. Timing matters. The best moment to prune Hebes is right after they finish flowering, typically late summer into early autumn. Pruning too early can remove developing flowering buds, and pruning too late risks soft new growth being damaged by winter cold. Pruning itself is straightforward. Start by removing any dead or frost-scorched stems. Then tidy the shape by lightly trimming back uneven or leggy shoots. If you carry out a harder rejuvenation prune, expect fewer flowers the following year, but the plant should recover with fresh, compact growth. For older, woody Hebes that have lost their shape, prune back carefully in stages, often by a third or less, avoiding cuts into bare, leafless wood so the plant can regrow. Try to keep some leafy shoots on each stem to help the plant bounce back. After pruning, give your Hebe a little care. In spring, apply a slow-release fertiliser or a layer of garden compost to boost growth. Also mulch lightly to conserve moisture. And water container-grown Hebes during dry spells to keep them looking at their best. With just a small amount of yearly attention, your Hebe will reward you with compact growth, vibrant foliage, and reliable flowers that brighten the garden from summer into autumn. Bye for now.